Shouthi lo mnake futhi lo gama lakhe Thomas Braga Mbandeke. Lo Braga i-brand name yakhe. Ijabe kunene leli 7 dako leli. Lijali lichamuka le Namibia. Nana namsolo ngicaba ukuthi lo muntu osuka lekhashana uthi kutonda thina eMaswati. Kepha ngichazela kafishane sadibana nale China Namibia ngo-2023 ngangivakashele njengekhona le safike sabonana nalo mnakethu wafike wasiphatha kahle lo mnakethu wasokuyeva ke ukuthi sinenhlangano kuthiwa babukisi lefundisa imihambo nemasiko etikolweni waphinze weva ukuthi ngihle ngicalambuluzi njalo ngemgcibelo naba nje bangamami ngiyababona ngihle ngimthumele netithombe wasothi kimi ngingafisa ukuthi manje eMaswati nami nganyelanga la ngiseswatini ngwabambisi ngiwaphela kole ngingawapha kona awungamangala na. He flew all the way just to come and see.
Amen.
Ugibela indiza weta nje ukuthi uthi kimi angikhethe nje noma bobani ngibafuna kubakhetha. Ngathi mina angikhethe ini impuluzi. Ngiyangiva ine bongozi. Uthi ke ucela lokuthi naye abe khona kuze kuthi lokunihleli la nonke atokhuluma naye. Noma ubuye ekhaya lihlupheka ngowati ukuthi na uthatha imisela. uNkulunkulu utaqina naleyela ngaba njengayo umnakethu ngifuma business manje eNamibia umnakethu manje ke uthi ke ngalokuthi naye uNkulunkulu sombusisile ngalambusise ngayo ngcono sala sasa akuyisela kuphi kuze kuthi sije sibe njani sibe bane ngiyangiva ngithi uthi ngaloko ke lo mnakethu Bongose ngiyacela lokuthi manje simlalele simpe indlebe utawukhuluma ke ngesingisi indaba singiyamtololekela Swati. Ngazimshayela intanda. They come from different families.
First, I just want to say bye and I'll forget. So I just want to say thank you for all of you for making time for us. I'm very humble and I want to thank God for making the opportunity for me to meet such beautiful
Uthi uyabonga ngebongosi. Lemabhala uthi uyabonga kakhulu kubona nini abantu labahle balaSwatini njengoba senemvileke ucela ngakubonga ingwenyama. Uthi bayethu wanophakathi. Uyabonga inkosi ukuthi imvume yesithela kangwane ukuthi atobona nini. Uthi uyajabula ukuthi lana atonibona no.
I believe we all have responsibilities.
Uthi ke ngiyakholelwa ukuthi sonke sinetimbu le-consistent empilweni.
We're all gifted in so many ways.
Sonke sinedeposit lesinato ngamunye ngamunye wethu.
We're raised by our mothers.
Sikhuliswe batali bethu bomake bethu.
That's why we do take care of our mothers.
Ungakumcoka batali bethu sibanakekele sibahloniphe futhi nivila ngithi.
Our mothers can take care of the community.
Kuze kuthi batali bethu bomake bethu batokwazi kunakekela nemmango wonke.
And the generation to come.
Nalabo batawulandzela emva kwethu.
I also want to give thanks to His Majesty the King Swati
Ngifuna kubonga ke nengwenyama inkosi Mswati wesithathu.
for making it possible because without him there wouldn't be roads.
Uthi ubonga ingwenyama Mswati ukuthi ngiyo lento entonke tinto ngoba lokusuka leka amanzi nje sitofika la sami emgwaqweni. Kube bengekho yona ngabe kude nale migwaqo.
And I'm very humbled to have experienced the culture of the Swati people.
Uthi uqhubeke kakhulu uyajabula ke nokuthi uthi imbanza kanye nemasiko ethu itolobeka lebuthweni le inkosi nayichitha libuka.
Because it makes me appreciate my culture also.
Uthi lokuthi abela kangwane avunule majobo abe nalamanye amaswati emkhosini kumenda nalokhu kwakubo akuthanze kakhulu kwale Namibia.
The reason why I'm here today is because I wanted for you to see me in real life.
Uthi ke namhla lokuthi abela bekafuna ukuthi nimbone ukuthi nangu lo muntu siphele kuhle.
And for you to see that everything and anything is possible.
Nekuthi nathi ukuthi bekunene yonke into leyifisa kuyenda itakwendela.
You can be anything you want to be in life.
Ungaba noma ngayini ofuna kuba ngiyo empilweni.
Anything.
Noma ngayini.
So these are the future leaders. You see them. So you must invest in them.
Bamba baholi bakusasa ke labantwana bonke laba nje. Kufanele ukuthi ke sibanakekele.
My only repayment that I ask from you,
Uthi ke imbadalo ngayicela lakini ngaloko laqasa kwenda manje.
also from other people who are out there who have exposure of this,
Nakulabanye abantu labale ngaphandle labatawubona lokho.
that what I've done for you to do it to the next person.
Uthi ukuthi-ke ningambhadalanga na neleka kwendela kini hambani nani nikwende kunalabanye futhi asimshayele ntanda Braga, we thank God for the Braga Foundation and Babukisi Foundation. God bless you, Braga. God bless you, Braga. God bless you, Braga. God bless you, Braga. All right.
Babukisi Foundation. Lwadi nebuve ingcebo.